Hello, I'm doing another unboxing of Barbie dolls in the middle of the night. This is the Barbie Extra Fly. I was a bit, and I have some others here too, but I'm not sure I will unbox them all right now. But I was a bit curious if this one also has as bad accessories as the Ken doll. So I think the bag looks like cool, but I check it out. I have to fix the camera a bit. Wait. Okay. If the camera moves a bit, I hope it won't annoy too much. But okay, she's really beautiful. She has like beautiful light pink hair. It's like a ski outfit of some kind. Disco ski outfit. But I chose this one. my brother helped me to choose her, because she has these like really long pink hair. So it says number 16. I'm not sure, like Barbie Extra number 16 or what. Okay. I almost cut myself a little bit. Okay. So well, there's like a frame here. Okay. Yes, like the nice Barbie picture. I really like these packages. They are cute, you know. It looks like it's almost more or less the exact same as the Ken doll. It's like a passport and tickets, like in cardboard, passport and tickets, and it's a nice bag and a smaller handbag, and glasses. And I even did cut myself. Look, oh my god, stupid Barbie. Okay, it was like the plastic from the package. I cut myself. Okay, it wasn't too bad, but still, it's like a paper cut. It wasn't. Okay. But, it's like teddy bears, and the bed is like teddy bears, and is that a heart teddy bear? And I don't know. I don't know. Okay, but it's cute anyways. And this is like a fur coat. It's really nice. It's glittery and blue. It's really nice. And ear muffs or headphones. Nice earrings. They look a bit like snow cones, like unicorn horns, or you know. And this is the handbag. It looks like snowflake. And the gloves are in plastic. They're plastic. The hand, this bag is like this traveling case. It looks amazing. I have to say, this is like really amazing. And the glasses, they look cool. The Ken's glasses was really cool. This is like eyes, like it would be eyes here. It's cool. And I'm sure these are just cardboard, like the Ken. And shoes are. Cool. And you know, I really, she's really pretty, and it looks really cool. So this bag is really cute. It's actually really cute. It's like a, you can open it a little bit, and it's like glittery and like lilac. It's really cute. It's really cute. Yes. And no, the hair has got stuck a bit here. I don't like that. I don't like when it's like you almost can cut the hair off. I don't like it. no. Okay, and here is the bag. Oh, it's so cute. So you see, it does roll. Look, rolls. Okay, this one, is really, this one is amazing. I do really love this one. And this little snowflake here, it says Barbie Extra Fly. I like this one. It's really cute. And and see here, I will try to get her this. Okay. Take my glasses off. Okay. She is really pretty. She really is. I do like her face. And my brother, who is like a collector of stuff, a specialist, he helped me to choose the Barbie doll that had the best makeup from the store. And so he doesn't really cook Barbie, but he's good at spotting when it's trouble in the print or something. He collects other stuff. I really like the outfit. It is so precious. It's like short fur coat, fur jacket, and they have. I don't like when they do this. You know, you do this. They like stitch it to the clothes, so it will look good in the package, but still, it could like some children could like rip everything apart, and it's not cool. It's not, because it's not a set. So you know, like if they do like so, it will stick together like for a while. It's okay, but I don't want them to sew it so it could break the clothes. Really. But, the hair is really soft. It's not gluey. I have to check it a bit. No, it's not. It's really nice hair. Just really nice hair. Pink and blonde hair. It's really nice. The earmuffs, they are like here. The makeup's a little bit like the lipstick is a bit glittery. It's like shiny, like lip gloss. Or, okay. I had a bit of trouble to get the headphones or earmuffs, what it's called, away from the head. You know, it's stuck like that, but I did now. So they look very similar to the ones that Ken has in his bed. Oh no, my dog is going. Hey Lucas. Hey Lucas, come here. Come. Hi. Sorry. Come here. Come. Like there. Vänta Lucas, kom hit. Kom hit. Kom. Like det här. Kom, ligg här. Så. Okay. Okay, so. Okay. It's like a heart. The necklace is like a heart, like a silver heart, and hey, Lucas. Okay. gloves, and bracelets, like 2 silver bracelets, like plain bracelets, and on the other hand is no bracelets. And okay, and there's a belt with silver and lilac. Very nice. It's very nice, but it's like it's cute with like teddy bears on them and like hearts. And is that like a ski lift or something? I'm not sure. It's really nice. It's nice. And if I take this bit off, it's like you can open it here. Take it off. Her feet are, I can see if they are like, they are flat feet. Okay. So I really do like her. She's pretty. She has this angelic Barbie face. I'm not sure. Some people don't really like this. Is it the Mille face mold? And I think it can sometimes be boring, but I think that sometimes it can be very beautiful. And I do really like this doll. I think that this doll is beautiful and not boring because of how they've had like done her and her makeup. And sometimes I find her face a bit boring, but not this time. Not this time. It's also with the hair and everything. I think she's beautiful, but it's mainly the hair, maybe. Okay, and okay, and this one is like the same like when the Ken or the passport. Just a bit of cardboard like this. It's not a picture of Barbie or anything. And same with the ticket. It's like it's packaged like this, like it's gold or something, and it's a bit of cardboard, so it's weird. But well, so the 15 plus accessories, I'm not sure they could just not write anything about extra accessories because there's no need to exaggerate, you can see that there's like nice handbags and, so, they don't have to like write that it's lots of accessories and then there's not. It's just, it makes the people disappointed, so it's weird at me. Never good to exaggerate, things too much because people want it to be great accessories if they write like 15 accessories. Like the Ken doll, like 2 of the accessories, they were like the shoes. I mean, what? Okay, but he also had nice glasses, and I hope that these also, they look like great ski glasses. They're different than many of the Barbie glasses I have, so they're nice. And they're not the same, like these are like, feels like they are made to be an accessory to this doll because of the eyes here, and the ski glasses, and they're like eyes and ski glasses. And look at her pink blonde hair. It's really nice actually. So and this is like I think this is like meant to be like a ticket for like kids to play with, that now I'm going to fly with my Barbie, la 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 la. It's cute. Well, so, and this Barbie, I really think she is very pretty. Her face is so cute, her hair is amazing, so I hope I can find her somewhere. Okay, but I did like the Ken, and I did like this Barbie, and the bag here is so cute. I really like it. It's so cute. It's like melted ice cream or something. So I don't think I maybe will unbox any more Barbie dolls tonight, but I like to look at them like this. This one is kind of cute. Maybe I should. Well, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, leave a like if you want to, or comment or whatever. Have a nice day or night. Bye bye.